front wheel drive.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, there you go. Hey guys, it's Luke here and welcome back to another video. You join me today with yet another Cupra on the channel. I seem to have filmed a lot of these cars over the years, but I do really enjoy them. Of course, with my Golf R that we all know and love, very similar platform, well, exactly the same platform underneath as one of these, apart from these are obviously front wheel drive. So yeah, no, they're a cool car to be honest. This one is a DSG car, stage 3 as well, as we've seen by the title. This one's running just over 500 brake, so 511 brake, which is some good power to be honest. Hybrid turbo on there, no meth, standard engine, not forged or anything like that. So it should be a good laugh. And of course, in usual fashion, we are joined today with Toby, the owner. I'll introduce you to him very shortly. We'll have a walk around the car, see what he's done to it, and then we'll go out for a spin. Okay, we're joined now with Toby, the owner of this Cupra. Mate, thank you so much for bringing this down today. As I said in the intro, I've filmed so many of these, but they are really good fun. So I couldn't resist getting another one on. Decent power out of this.
Yeah, 511.
Yeah, really decent power with no meth or anything like that.
No, stock engine as well.
Yeah, okay, yeah,
So
no, fair enough.
Literally on the limit, but yeah, we're all right.
Yeah, we're good, touch wood.
Yeah.
Have a little look in here. Did you say we've got a hybrid turbo?
Yeah, Litco L500 turbo.
Yeah, back there.
3-inch downpipe.
Yeah.
Racing line intake, all the standard racing line stuff.
Yeah.
R600, muffler delete, all that standard stuff. The most overpriced hose ever. 65 quid.
Yeah.
For a hose that just makes it not go over there, but yeah.
Yeah. Fuel pump as well?
Yeah, these high pressure fuel pump internals.
Yeah.
Litco low pressure fuel pump.
Okay.
AirTech intercooler, oversized pipes all the way through.
Have you got any auxiliary radiators or is that?
Not yet. Probably doing a bit more track and that. I'll probably invest in some of those as well. But,
nice. Very cool.
Yeah, Miller's oil.
Yeah.
NGK Racing 9 plugs.
All the usual bits and bobs.
Just standard.
Would you ever forge it or just gonna leave it as is?
When it blows, I will forge it. Yeah, put meth on it.
Fair.
Go for a bit more power.
Okay. So, yeah. You can wind them up to be honest, and I know that people say, why would you chuck so much power in a car that's front wheel drive? But on a dig or on a roll, there's
third gear. Like, it's damp today, so we're going to struggle. But normally third gear, you're all right and you're going. So
exactly, exactly. Moving around though, lovely set of Motec wheels.
Yeah.
On here, these 19s.
Yeah, they are 19s. TTRS brakes, 370mm discs, DS2500 pads.
It sits well as well, actually.
Yeah, it's on a H&R springs.
Any polybushing or
No, not yet.
else?
That's my next thing. That is polybush and some anti-roll bars as well.
Yeah. Okay. So it's literally just the springs at the moment. Yeah.
Maxton kit. Painted all the calipers to match the Cupra badges, etc.
Yeah, that's one thing which I really like actually. So obviously we've got the little baby blue accents on here and more towards the interior as well to match the calipers, which is really cool. Exhaust wise,
full 3-inch custom.
Okay.
It's still got 2 reses, which everyone's quite surprised about because it is very loud when it bangs. But yeah, 2 reses just so cuts out the drone and things like that.
Awesome.
Yeah, full Maxton kit. Yeah.
Very cool. Yeah, no, it's a cool looking car actually, which packs a punch with some decent power. So yeah, I think if that's pretty much everything, we'll hop on in and go for a spin.
100%.
Definitely front wheel drive.
Yeah.
You feel those pops, don't you?
Yeah. It's not mapped to bang as well, you know.
Oh really?
No.
Ah.
It just does it.
It just does it, yeah. It just wants to spin, doesn't it?
All the time. You roll on it in 4th.
Oh yeah, there you go. And that was 4th as well, flipping out. It is crazy how much power you can get from a little 2 litre in it.
Silly.
And this is not like out of the ordinary.
This is a simple stage 3 really.
Yeah,
Look in the grand scheme of things.
Absolutely, yeah. Now you've done a few little bits in here. Alcantara steering wheel, which was really nice.
Racing line paddles.
Oh, okay, yeah, I didn't see them. And so this is a 66 plate, isn't it?
Yeah.
So it's the pre-facelift.
Yeah.
However, you've retrofitted all the...
Yeah, it's got the digital dash, all
Yeah.
the screens change, etc.
Oh, so it all works?
Yeah, everything
really,
works as it should, yeah.
And then other than that...
CarPlay, colour-coded all the Cupra badges.
Yeah.
Nice touch.
Just nice little OEM plus bits, basically, yeah. It doesn't let off, does it?
Nah, it just keeps going and going.
Yeah, literally, yeah. You know, it's not putting the power down too bad, really. It's like clawing away at it, isn't it?
It's like...
Flip it out. Yeah, that is like super strong. That feels faster than 511, you know.
It does, doesn't it? Everyone who's been in it has said it feels a lot faster than 511.
I think because obviously from a launch, it wouldn't feel like 511 because it would be spinning it away. But when you're on a roll,
like 40, 50 onwards,
it's lighter than a Golf.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Obviously, you don't get drivetrain loss either because it's front-wheel drive. You haven't got your Haldex system, transfer box, etc.
Yeah, that feels really fast.
Really fast. I've been in some fast MQB cars.
Yeah. I don't know, everyone just feels mental fast.
Yeah, for you to say it's fast in the cars that you've been in as well. Like,
yeah, like I've been in one of these with 800 brake, and it still feels like mental fast.
Mental fast, yeah.
See, I quite like the front wheel drive aspect of it.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
You kind of got to hang on a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, mate, she flies.
Yeah, it is fun.
It's a good bit, that.
Yeah.
It doesn't spin the power away as much as I thought it was going to, considering it's like greasy today.
Zero lag.
Yeah, yeah.
Like, third gear at 40 mile an hour.
Yeah. Just straight. But no, thank you very much for coming down, mate. It was a pleasure to film this and go out in it, so thank you. Of course, if you guys want to learn more about the build, then I'll leave Toby's Instagram link down in the description down below. For me today, that is it. I hope you guys have enjoyed. If you have, please make sure you leave a like and make sure to subscribe for all the adventures still to come.